Good morning from Azerbaijan. Today, we're diving into the heart of Azerbaijani cuisine, breakfast. Join us as we explore some of the most beloved dishes that start the day right. Let's begin with a staple of Azerbaijani cuisine, Tander bread. This flatbread, baked in a clay oven, is a crispy and flavorful base for many dishes. Tander bread is often enjoyed with butter, honey, and cheese, creating a harmonious blend of sweet and savory. Next up, we have Cutab, a savory turnover that can be filled with anything from spinach and cheese to meat. It's a versatile dish that's perfect for breakfast or a light lunch. Cutab is often served with fresh herbs and yogurt, adding a tangy and refreshing element. Cuckoo is a savory omelet that can be made with a variety of ingredients, including herbs, vegetables, and even cheese. It's a healthy and delicious way to start your day. Cuckoo is often served with a side salad for a balanced and satisfying meal. No Azerbaijani meal is complete without chai, a strong and flavorful tea that's enjoyed throughout the day. Chai is often served with sugar and is a great way to warm up on a cold morning. Azerbaijani breakfasts are a delicious and satisfying way to start your day. From the crispy Tander bread to the savory Cutab and the flavorful Cuckoo, there's something for everyone to enjoy. So the next time you're in Azerbaijan, be sure to try these delicious dishes and experience the true taste of the country. Thanks for joining us on this delicious journey through Azerbaijan. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more breakfast around the world. See you next time for more global breakfast adventures. Cheers!